and I see the inner fixtures of a line that was once drawn on the dry sand from a mystic many centuries ago. And this line becomes merely only known as the fixtures of life. And it was at that moment when I realized that the fixtures of life were mere shadows, while the strand of light from within the deeper part of the soul becomes born again. And it was that strand of light that became the dragon-like nature of the spirit intertwined with the soul of your kind. Out of dark shadows and fixtures of natures come light born once more. It is never one without the other to define its true form.